turning on the visibility of our canvas. And now let's create the pattern features here. So I'm going to go to front handle and turn the visibility on. Going to right view. I'm going to select this face, Control left click this face, Control left click this face, and hit delete. Next, I'm going to hit S to grab our model toolbox and type thicken. Selecting thicken, selecting this face. Now, this arrow should be pointing inward. So I'm going to key in -0.5 and hit OK. So take note, operation, new body. Now going back to right view, I'm going to hit L to grab our line and select this plane. I'm going to drop our first point here, but first I'm going to turn off canvas. I'm going to drop this one here, going here, left click and right click to make this horizontal vertical, hitting L once more, zooming in, left click here, hitting the green check mark, left click here, left click here, left click here, hitting escape, hitting L, left click here, and final line here, and left click here, hitting escape. Next, hitting L once more and creating another line here, hitting escape. So I can delete this one and move this over here. Same here as well, creating another line, hitting escape and making sure this one is beyond, hitting undo. Next, I'm going to hit R for rectangle and select center rectangle. I'm going to drop our first point here at the middle and creating a rectangle, hitting escape. And now I'm going to hit E for extrude, selecting this profile, this profile, this profile, this profile, and this profile. Now, direction to be symmetric, operation, cut, distance, all. And hitting OK. Zooming in. Next, I'm going to hit L for line and left click this plane. And I am going to create a line parallel to this surface and left click here, hitting escape and deleting this one. I'm going to go to stop sketch and go to construct, selecting plane at angle and selecting this newly constructed line. Now the angle to be 0, hitting OK. Next, I'm going to select this newly constructed plane, right click and create sketch. Now, I'd like to hide this body first, turning off frame. Next, I'm going to hit R and select center rectangle. Going to drop our first point here, creating a rectangle and left click, hitting escape. Let me add a dimension for this one. I'm going to key in 16 Next, hitting R once more and selecting center rectangle. I'm going to place our center point, same with this rectangle, and left click here. Make sure that our bodies is inside the outer rectangle. So now I'm going to hit E for extrude and select this profile, dragging our arrow down. Operation cut extends to be all. And hitting OK. Let's now move these bodies to our frame. But first, I'm going to select this sketch, right click and find it in our browser. I'm going to rename this one to reference line 2. Hitting enter and turning off its visibility. I'm going to go to right view and turn on the visibility of frame. I'm going to hit M. So make sure we are moving bodies, creating a window selection, moving this arrow and typing in -100 and hitting OK. Next, we're going to subtract these bodies to our frame. I'm going to go to modify, selecting combine. Now the target body to be our frame. And for the tool bodies, it's body 125, 127, and 126. Operation to be cut, and I'm gonna select keep tools and new component uncheck and hit OK. So I'm gonna hide the 3 bodies. So looking good.